Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a video going through a load of new products that I haven't used before and seeing what we think of them. So let's get started. I haven't got a new primer, so I'm just going to use my Stila One Step Primer. I do have a new primer, I've just remembered, and now it's too late to use it. I am, for foundation, going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of has a bit of a sheen to it. I don't know, you can't really tell. It kind of looks like there's like glittery particles in it. But it says it's a true to skin shade, capture your skin tone and undertone, skin micro perfection, ultrafine pigments provide the perfect coverage without caking to naturally beautify your skin. Super blendable, super blendable 24-hour foundation. I'm just going to give it a really good shake. And for anyone wondering, I've gone for 1.R/1.C, which is Rose Ivory. So I think I'm just going to start with a pump or two and just dot that around my face. Oh god, it's drippy. Oh, it's really liquidy. Okay, so I am going to put another pump on because it hasn't done a lot. I mean, it's okay. It feels nice, but that's, I don't know, should I go in with another pump? I don't want to make it cakey. But I do feel my LA Girl foundation, which is the same cost, covers a lot better. I'm going to do one more pump and see what I think, and then just leave it there. It is a messy foundation. It has not gone cakey at all. It does look nice. Obviously, personal opinion, it does feel really lightweight, really nice. However, I have just noticed that underneath my eyes, and I don't know if you can see, it is like clinging to everything. For concealer, I'm going to go in with, give it a bit of shade, this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer, which I haven't used before, in the colour Fair. It's a massive doe foot applicator, look at that. I thought the Shape Tape one was big. Oh, it's hard as well. Let's give it a go. That it has a very strong smell. I'm not sure I could cope with that, to be honest. However, blends like a dream. Okay, so did we see how quickly that blended out? It hasn't given me the fullest coverage under my eyes. They're still look quite baggy. It does have a really chemically smell, which I find quite, I don't know, unappealing. I know it's not food, but maybe my bags are just really bad at the moment. Then for powder, I'm going to go in with the Nabla Baking and Setting Close-Up Powder. I think because it's brand new and quite full, I don't know if that's why it's pressed quite a bit and it's struggling to come out. I'm just going to go back in with my beauty blender, get some on the end. I'm then just going to get a big fluffy brush and dip into some of it and just kind of brush it all over my face. Through the winter I will literally just powder where I've concealed. It really does a good job of like blurring everything. Like everything just looks smooth and soft and like just nice. So that hasn't sunk into any lines, any wrinkles. It hasn't gone like funny anywhere. It just looks really, really good. So I haven't got a new contour, so I'm just going to go back in with my Bleach London Bones for continuity. Crazy how a bit of contour can get rid of your double chin. Then for bronzer, I wanted to try this Natural Collections bronzer in Copper. Oh, it's got chamomile in it to help soothe and protect. But yeah, it's just a lightish bronzy shade. Gonna watch that do absolutely nothing. Like, I'm like stamping into it and it's rubbish. Rubbish. It is literally hardly done anything and I was going into it. Yeah, don't waste your money. I'm just going to go in with my Ciate little bronzer, just get some of that on my brush. For blush, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Life's a Peach. I've been wanting to try this for ages. Soph Does Nails always talks about this and she always goes on about how good it smells, and it really does smell peachy. Just quite a nice natural, yeah, I like that. Nice. I'm just going to pop off camera to do my eyebrows. Once again, just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and a Barry M Take Me brow gel, which was once clear. It's not now. So the next thing I'm going to try is the Miss Lynn Glow For It strobing powder. I'm just going to use that to highlight my face. It's definitely more of a natural glow, but it is buildable. That was like 3 dips in. Then I'm going to go in with this Jordana eye primer. It was like £3, I think. I'm going to go in with this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette, which is so pretty. It's just got these pretty colours. You all know I'm into my reds. You all know I'm into my oranges and my yellows at the moment. But it's got a few really nice shimmers in it, although you've got 4 mattes, 6 shimmers. So you've got Lemonade Soda, which is like a shimmery yellow, Pink Lemonade, which is like a shimmery pink with gold reflex, Nude Tea, which is like a really pale yellow colour, Peach, which is a peachy colour with gold reflex, Cucumber, which is like a shimmery green. Then you've got a mustardy colour called Mango, Sweet Tea, which is kind of like a matte burnt orange, Chai Tea, which is a dark brown with a purple undertone, Strawberry, which is like a more pink, much more pink than this. This is more of a purpley pink, and this is like a pinky pink with silver reflex, I'd say. Blueberry Fizz, which is like It's weird, it's like a purple shift blue and it's quite dark. It's very pretty shimmer. First things first, with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to go into Nude Tea. Just kind of go everywhere. That is just like the perfect all over colour. The other thing I like about this palette is it has a mirror. Then I think I'm going to put Mango in the crease, just using a Spectrum B06. I like. It's a really pretty colour. Okay, so I'm going to go more into the crease now and not bring it up as high with this Spectrum A12 into Sweet Tea. And then when that's in, I'm just going to pick up this Spectrum brush again that had the yellow on and just go over it. I literally don't know what colour to take on the lid. Okay, so what I'm going to do is with the Spectrum A16, I've got two of them, I'm going to do the Lemonade coming from the inner and the peach colour from the outer and kind of see what that does. I'm going to start off with the Lemonade Soda colour. I think we're going to need a bit of a MAC Fix Plus to get this to, oh, everything's falling, to get this to kind of work exactly how we want it to. I'm going to dip in to Lemonade Soda and coat the brush, then just give it a spray. And then let's try the other flat brush with the peach colour. Okay, so I mean I'm having to dig in quite a lot to get that colour to come off. However, that is a super pretty peachy colour. I'm just annoyed at how much I'm having to like go into it to get that. I don't know if you can really see, like, can you see how much I've had to go into that one compared to this yellow that I went into? Like, I've really had to dig at it to get the same pigmentation. Back in with the yellow. And I'm literally just kind of like blending over the top of them so there's no harsh lines. So you've literally got a nice gradient in the middle. So gonna do the same on that eye quickly. Okay, so that is the other eye done. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of the Mango shade under my eye. I'm then going to take a Spectrum A13, which is kind of like a flat brush. It's got a hair sticking out the end of it. And I'm just going to dig into Sweet Tea again. And I'm just going to push that up right into my lower lash line. Then just going to go back into that Mango shade and just blend that. They blend beautifully. And then just going to get my tiny little detailer brush by Real Techniques and my highlighter. And I'm just going to highlight that inner corner slightly. And also my brow bone. That is actually like the perfect highlighter for your brow bone. That is lush. Then before we go any further, I am just going to set what I've done into place using the Superstay setting spray by Maybelline. It's a 24-hour makeup locking spray. Smells alright. So the only thing I would say about that setting spray is there is just random things where I think it must have come out a little bit faster, because random points in my face are much wetter than the rest of my face. Then gonna go in with this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. How crazy is that white? That is nuts. And for mascara, I haven't got a new one to try at the moment, so I'm just going to go in with my normal Benefit Roller Lash. So that is the mascara on. So this is the Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Blooming Hibiscus. It smells nice. The only thing I will now say is this is not a liquid lipstick like I thought it was. It is very much a sticky lip gloss. But yeah, so that is a full face of new products I have literally never ever used before. So the only thing I really think that I don't like is that bronzer was the biggest pile of rubbish I've ever used. It literally did nothing. Yeah, that is the end of the video. If you did like this video, please be sure to press the like button for me. It means so much to me and lets me know that you're enjoying the content. Also, if you do like watching me or seeing what I put out, if you would like to subscribe, that would be great. Just hit the subscribe button and then the little bell next to it so you get notifications that I've uploaded. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!